Hello everyone, peace and many blessings to everyone out in the world. So today I'm really excited because I will be doing a turban tutorial for a really good company, Dove Love and Hand Design. So I partnered up with them. She gave me some turbans here, which are some fabulous colors. So you know what, let's just jump right up into it. So So I'm going to go ahead and enter her information down below, or on the side, or on that side. But anyway, we'll go ahead and enter the information below. And this is the company. I'll definitely go ahead and leave that. So let's go ahead and get into these colors, okay? Now, purple, this purple is fabulous. Can we just take a look at this color? Can we appreciate this color purple? Yes, we can. Can we appreciate the color pink? Now, my daughter loves this color pink, and I love it too. So here we go. This is the pink, and then we also have a pretty, I want to say it's like a gold autumn yellow color. Yes, we do. So let's take a look at this. Here. All right. So when shopping for turbans, or material to make a turban, this is the exact length that I would get. This is the exact size that I would definitely get. So I'm going to show you guys some quick ways of tying your hair. I am going to leave this on as a base just for today. So now if you can see the base, my hair is in a ponytail, but I wanted to show you that sometimes the base is good. If not, these are really nice. And I love the material is actually really good too. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scarf and I'm going to fold it down like this, like that. You see how it kind of folds like that? So then I'm going to take that and I'm going to start from the back and I'm going to make my two ends even. So as I take it from the back, I'm going to take this here and cross it, but I'm going to double cross it, you know? And then it's going to give you this look at the top. I'm going to take it back here, cross it in the back, and then take the two ends, and I will bring them again. You see how the length allows you to do that? And then I just tuck away the flyaways and to make it really neat. So this is one of my favorite styles of wrapping my turban. What do you guys think? I would demonstrate again, but in a different color. I just love this style. And all you have to do is just make sure that everything looks neat according to what you like. But this is just really fly. Look at this color. So I'll give you an up close. So what do you guys think of this? I like this a lot. So we're going to go ahead and go to the pink. So this is the yellow one. And I don't know. I'm really feeling this right here. Alright, so let's go on to the next one. And the good thing with wrapping the scarves like that, some people put like a safety pin in them. And you definitely don't want to do that with these scarves because it can ruin it and put a hole in it. So you see how and it wasn't tight either. So we're going to go ahead to the pink one. And I'm going to fold it again just like I did. So we're going to take this piece here and we're just going to fold a little flap down. So the flap is going to look like that. Again, this time I'm going to take it, but I'm going to leave more on one side. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to again take it from the back. I'm going to bring it around front. And you see how one length is longer than the other? We're going to twist it again like this. Bring it around. But this time in the back, hopefully you guys can see this. We're just going to tie it right here, just like this. And then this will kind of flow. and you'll have like a little piece like here, just to be a little bit more modest if you want to do that. Now this is a really cute style that I like. Again, the little end, it just kind of hang like that, and I like this style a lot as well. They look really cute with the green earrings, by the way. Ooh, I think I'm gonna wear this one today. Okay, so what do you guys think of this? All right, so let's get into the purple one. So with the purple one, let's see what we're gonna do with this one. So we're actually gonna bring this in the front. I still always fold it a little bit. So you're gonna make your ends even. Okay. Actually, yeah, you're gonna make your ends even. You're gonna take the two pieces from the back like this. You're gonna bring that from the back. You're gonna take it. It's gonna be tied in the back like this. You're gonna bring it around here. Cross it over and bring it again. And this is just another style. Now this style gives you a little bit more of, I call it four-haze material for the scarf, or you can push it back, but this is the look for that one here. So what do you guys think? Which ones do you like?
Maybe it's the thrill of the spring, maybe it's a love thing.